Imagine a world where AI isn't just a buzzword but the backbone of thriving industries, creating jobs and transforming careers. Well, welcome to 2025, where that world is now reality. Today, we're diving into the top 5 industries where AI is not just replacing jobs, but creating them. Stay with us because number 1 will blow your mind. First up, healthcare. AI is redefining patient care. From personalized treatments to AI-assisted surgeries, the demand for roles like AI healthcare specialists, data analysts, and robotics engineers has skyrocketed. And it's not just about saving lives, it's about reshaping how we live. Next, finance. With AI at the helm of fraud detection, investment strategies, and risk management, banks and fintech companies are hiring more data scientists and AI ethicists than ever before. The result? Smarter, faster financial systems. Third, we have manufacturing. Smart factories are the future. Jobs like automation engineers and IoT specialists are booming as companies embrace AI-driven production processes that are faster, safer, and more efficient. Retail and e-commerce. AI is transforming how we shop, from personalized recommendations to automated inventory systems. This means new opportunities in AI-powered marketing, logistics optimization, and even virtual store management. And finally, education. AI is revolutionizing how we learn, creating jobs for instructional designers, AI curriculum specialists, and edtech developers. The goal? Making education accessible, personalized, and future-ready. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about where the world is headed, these industries prove one thing: AI isn't taking over jobs, it's opening new doors. Which of these industries excites you the most? Or did we miss one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the future of work. Stay curious, stay ahead, see you in the next video.